Oh, what are you gonna do? How'd you get so muddy?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy. Dad! Bicycle!
First, I'm gonna drink my coffee. I need a straw. And actually the best way to drink coffee is I learned it from a friend of mine, a really scientific guy, is you drink coffee through a straw because it bypasses the blood-brain barrier going straight to the dome. Scientifically proven. Go ahead and look it up. Does that taste good? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Mmm, good. Well, this is Jesse and Jesse the Third. We just got this done. This is Eastern Kentucky's only 8-hour podcast. He did a lot of recording for you guys, so I definitely appreciate that. We're gonna finish hanging out. Tell him, hey, say hit the subscribe button. Say subscribe. Hey, Jesse Michael, say subscribe. Subscribe. Say subscribe. Let's turn this off. Bye. Say hit the like button.
Like button?
Like button. That's what it's all about. Taking a knee for Christ the King. Being grateful for what we have. Trying to become better fathers, better men. We're going to keep chasing our dreams every day. Hustle, grind, do what we have to do. We're going to separate ourselves from the boys and the men. And what is that? What is that separation factor? Well, I could be wrong, but I think what separates the boys from men is one who do what it needs, do what it takes to provide for their family. Trying to continue for greatness. Recognizing when you're wrong. Recognize your failures. Understanding that you're not ever going to succeed if you don't fall on your face. Iron sharpens iron. And that's what's the beauty of redemption. That's the beauty of the prodigal. That's what the beauty of the sacrifice on Calvary. That's the beauty of it. Whether we fall short, we all are sinners and fall short of the glory of God, but because of his mercy, we are able to have redemption and eternal life and glory. So with that, we're taking a knee for Christ the King. I'm going to say a prayer for you and your family. And hopefully you do the same for me. I need your prayers. And me and Jesse Michael's going to continue to play out in the yard. This beautiful driveway that I just got cleaned, it's already getting muddy by him tracking some mud and dirt and grime and nastiness. But that's kind of, look at that, that's kind of a parallel life is. No matter how, like, just, you're always going to have mud and nastiness and filth on you. That's just the way it is. But it can always be cleaned. Oh, you are in trouble. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh dear, Dad.
Oh, what are you gonna do? How'd you get so muddy?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy. Jesus. That is wrong.